How to withdraw from Binance to Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Binance to Gcash. First, open your Binance app on your mobile device. Then, tap on Wallets from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Spot and then select Withdraw. Now choose USD as the currency for withdrawal. Here, select Bank Transfer as your method and choose the option for Gcash if available. Then, follow the prompts to confirm and complete the transfer. After completing the steps, your funds should be transferred to your Gcash account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.